Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make movie title intro. 2 different way. First go to the title bar, dot and text title on your video.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on.
Now go to Effect and write Track. Select Track Make Key. Drag the video, not drag it text.
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
Now, go to Effects Control, scroll down. Select Video 2. Select the text bar to Vector Motion, and press Scale Up on the way in, until the text go away. Press scale icon. Follow the process. Now click Reset Parameter.
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears.
You wanted this effect on your video. Everything is same. Just select the scale icon here and restart parameter here. That's it.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first.
You watch more video like this. Please subscribe to my channel.